Let's take a look at Tanjong Katong Girls Prelim 2022, Paper 2, Question 2. In the expansion of x squared minus 2 of x power 14, explain with clear working why every term is dependent of x. Now, this might sound a bit new to you. However, let's take a look at this sentence here. We can rephrase every term is dependent of x. Look at the underline in red. I'm going to reverse these two words, okay? So instead of saying every term, I'm going to switch every to no term. And I'm going to switch the word dependent to independent of x. Now read the sentence again. Every term is dependent of x is the same as no term is independent of x. If it's still unclear to you, let's think of every student is girl, meaning there will be no student is boy. Right? It's the same meaning. So now, let's focus on the question right now. We're going to write a general term for that expansion. So that's going to be a 14 as a power. I'm going to write variable r here. Let's pick the two terms out. First term, x squared. Second term, minus 2 over x. Now I'm going to put r as the power for the second term. And this one here will take the remaining power, which is 14 minus r. Now we're going to check no term independent of x, meaning we are going to check power 0. Now let's pull out the power for x. I'm going to pull inside power, outside power. So it looks like that. Inside power, outside power is a multiplication. So I put an addition. Be careful of this over x. It is power of -1. So inside power is -1. Outside power is r. Let me equate to 0 because we are checking independent of x. Let's expand this one. We'll have 28 minus 2r minus r equals to 0. That will lead me to 28 equals to 3r, and r will get 28 over 3, which is not an integer. Okay, so that will explain that no term is independent of x, and will further explain therefore every term is dependent of x. Let's look at part 2 now. We have in the expansion of x squared minus 2 over x power 14, which is from part 1, multiplied by 1 plus x plus half x squared, find the constant term. Now we're going to link these two together. So part 1 will give you expansion of many terms because it's power 14. You will have 15 terms over here. So we are going to try to link so that we get constant term when we multiply these two brackets together. Let me take a look at this 1 here. So 1 will need to link with a constant. Let me write capital A to represent constant. And for x, you will need to link to something over x. So I'm going to write b over x. Okay. And the last term here is x squared. I will need to link with over x squared term. So I have more terms in front, which I'm not going to find. Let's take a look at this expansion over here. I need these 3 terms from part 1, and we already proved that there will be no term independent of x, which means we do not have this a value. Now let's check these 2 terms over here. One I need is power -1, another one I need is power -2. I have worked it out again for power x for part 1, okay, so that you can see that we have actually gotten 28 minus 3r for power x. So I'm going to check these 2 terms. I'm going to take this 28, this is part 2, minus 3r, check the x power -2 term. Let's work it out. So I have 30 equals to 3r, r equals to 10. Let's check this term now. We need power -1. So I'm going to work it out again. 28 minus 3r equals -1. So then I have 29 equals 3r. So r now is 29 over 3, which is not integer. Therefore, we have no term in x power -1, which is this one over here. So I do not have these 2 now, okay? So this one I know from part 1 because no term independent of x means no constant term. And I also do not have x power -1. So I only have this. So let's link it now. So if I'm going to replace this one here, okay, into the formula here. So I will calculate 14. Sorry, is this one r? 10. I rewrite that one here, x squared. I'm going to just redo 14 minus 10, which is 4 and the power here is 10. Okay, let's calculate this one here. We have 1025024. Okay, so let's work it out. This is power 8. This is minus power 10. So we have x power -2. Let me replace here. We have 1025024 over x squared multiplied by this term over here. So the only link that we have is this one and this one here. Okay, so I'm going to work it out just pulling out the coefficient. So I will have 1025024, which is a coefficient for x power -2, multiplied by coefficient here, which is half. I will get my answer as 512512. Okay, so this one is the constant term when you multiply these two brackets together.